Hello, welcome to Health Unlocked. I will be using our demo community to help you get the most out of your community through using campaigns. Campaigns are a useful tool to promote content inside your community or to signpost external content that matters to the community. For example, information on COVID 19. To create a campaign, go to Admin, click the three lines, go to Campaigns at the bottom of the page, click Create Campaign. Fill in the following details. Choose a name, fill in the content, enter a title, enter the text, enter a call to action, enter a URL. This can be a link to a post already created on your community or an external link. Once you are done, click Preview. This shows you a preview of what your campaign will look like on your community. If you are satisfied, click X and continue. You can also choose who this campaign will be visible to, whether members or visitors, and which country it will be visible to. Click Start Campaign. You have now created your first campaign. This campaign will be visible on your home page. Please note, if Health Unlocked is running a featured post, it will appear first. Once you click the X, your campaign will then be visible. Thank you. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us or use our help center.